Sanibona igama lami ukuthi Abusindwe. I'm going to show you guys ukuthi ku-apply kanjani ku-Grace Recruitment. Uma ngabe ukuthi awaka-subscribe la ekhaya, please subscribe ukuze ungaphuthelwa. Ungena Google wakho ubhala ukuthi thabusindwenhle.com. Njengoba ubona, please make sure ukuthi spelling sakho si-right njengoba nami ngibhalile. Nangiya ku-Grace Recruitment lapha ekuqaleni ukuthi ungena nje ibe ikutshengisa into oze kuyona. Abantu abahlezi bela ekhaya bayazi ukuthi sichofa ku-apply here njengoba ngokuchofa lapha ezansi and then ufaka straight on the website. Nanso-ke guys, i-website lana I was just showing you guys ngi-highlight lapha ukuthi we are specialized recruiting agency and banama-office inkosi yami eSouth Africa Cape Town. So these are the current positions avuliwe njengamanje. So 15 departments avuliwe, kuya ngawe ukuthi ungena kuphi. So I was just making isibonelo la uchofa apply njengoba ubona, apply for position and then bese uya-apply, izofaka straight ku-application form. Nansi application form ilula nje kanje, ufaka igama laphayana, isibongo, igender, i-age, nationality, South African, recent color ID, ufake ID yakho, email address, number yakho, i-Skype ufunawo, it's optional. Kodwa la kufaka khona itayi bomvu guys, kuyaphoqa ukuthi ugcwalise, but la bangafakwanga khona itayi bomvu, it's optional. Ufaka i-resume yakho laphaya, upload i-CV, written reference, ufaka ama-references wakho, i-certificate lesabasifunayo. Do you have a criminal record? Yebo noma cha. Are you currently on any chronic medication? Makuwukuthi uyaphuza amaphilisi or medication chronic, uyasho laphaya. Ungawaqambi guys namanga kulezi zinto zibalekile ukuthi amanga ungawaqambi because they do a medical check up. Uma uzohamba uyosebenza emkhunjini, they require you ukuthi benza i-medical thingy. So please ungawaqamba amanga, uma unayo nje ifaka. Ugcwalisa masiqedile uchofe usubmit lapha ezansi, and that's it. That's how you apply. I feel like le video is short. So these are all other positions that are available. Uyachofa lana khona bekutshengisa nje isibonelo njengoba ngichofile apply. This is for a security guard ezansi, apply for this position. Mawuchofa apply ufaka straight again kuma details akho la u-apply khona, uya-apply egcineni lapha ezansi bese kuthiwa ke submit.